In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Instagram to Clubhouse. This is very straightforward and simple to do. So let's just get straight into it. So the first step is to open the Clubhouse app. And from here, you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. And as you can see, it says add Instagram. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to tap on add Instagram. That'll take you to the Instagram login screen. So I'm just going to enter in my information. Okay, so I filled in my information. I'm going to tap on login. Okay, so for some reason, it doesn't let me do it right now. Let's see what it says. We're working on it and we'll get it fixed as soon as we can. So it looks like it might be a problem with the Clubhouse and all on the Instagram side, but that would be the process. You tap on add Instagram, you fill in your information, you click on allow to allow Clubhouse to connect, and then you should be connected. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.